How she acts after the breakup tells you everything you need to know. Let me tell you something most men never realize until it's too late. You don't really know a woman during the relationship. You only meet the real version of her after the breakup. Because when the relationship ends, the performance ends. The incentives disappear. There's no more reason to impress you, manage your emotions, or protect the image. What's left is truth. And how she behaves in that moment, who she runs to, how fast she replaces you, how she carries herself when there's nothing left to gain, tells you more than every sweet word she ever said. Stay with me, because once you understand this, you'll never be confused after a breakup again. Most men get this backwards. They replay the relationship in their head, the late nights, the I love yous, the promises. They look for proof that it was real. But the real evidence doesn't show up then. It shows up after, because attachment leaves fingerprints and fake bonds don't. Here's the truth most men avoid. A woman who truly bonded with you does not detach cleanly. Real emotional attachment leaves residue. It leaves hesitation. It leaves grief. Even if she initiated the breakup, if the bond was deep, there will be a withdrawal phase. She slows down. She pulls inward. She goes quiet. Not loud on social media, not rushing to prove she's fine, not jumping into another man's arms. She's processing the loss, because you don't remove something meaningful from your emotional system and feel nothing. That's not weakness. That's human psychology. So when you see a woman staying single, reflecting, recalibrating, that doesn't mean she's coming back. It doesn't mean she belongs to you forever. It means the connection had weight, and weight takes time to put down. Now let's talk about the other path, the one most men find hardest to accept. She replaces you fast, too fast. New man, new laughs, new pictures, new energy. Sometimes before the breakup dust even settles, men see this and think, how could she move on so easily? Did I mean nothing? Here's the uncomfortable truth. She didn't move on from you. She moved on from the role you played. You weren't loved for who you were. You were valued for what you provided. Attention, stability, emotional safety, validation, resources. Once that supply ended, the next source stepped in. That's not love. That's convenience. And the reason it hurts so deeply is because men project their loyalty onto women, assuming depth where there was only comfort. Understand this clearly. A woman who replaces you immediately didn't lose you. She lost access. And the speed of replacement is not confidence, it's avoidance. She's running from silence, from reflection, from sitting alone with her own thoughts, because introspection is painful for people who never built an identity beyond relationships. This is where most men break themselves. They see her move on fast and think, I wasn't good enough. I failed. I wasn't masculine enough. No, you weren't emotionally chosen, and that distinction matters. A woman can be with a man she enjoys, benefits from, even desires, without ever internalizing him. So when he's gone, there's no void, just an empty seat someone else fills. That's not a judgment of your worth. That's a measurement of her investment. Now here's the dangerous part most men don't see. Some women use the post-breakup phase as a weapon. They rush into another man. They post it. They make sure you hear about it, not because they're happy, but because they want control. They want to flip the emotional dynamic. They want to win. And if you react, if you text, stalk, explain, or spiral, you hand them exactly what they want. A man who understands this doesn't chase, he observes. He doesn't get angry, he gets clear. If she replaced you instantly, you don't argue with reality. You don't romanticize what wasn't there. You don't rewrite history to protect your ego. You simply say, she was never mine. She was passing through, and you walk away clean. Because here's the truth men need to hear. The goal is not to be the man she cries over. The goal is to be the man who doesn't need to. Your power is not in how much she suffers without you. Your power is in how little her behavior can shake you once you see it clearly. The post-breakup phase is the audit, the final report, the moment where illusion dies and clarity begins. And once you accept what it shows you, something changes. You stop begging for closure. You stop needing explanations. You stop clinging to fantasy. You let her actions close the chapter for you. No bitterness, no hatred, no emotional debt, just clarity. And clarity is how men level up. If this gave you perspective, if it put words to something you've lived but never fully understood, like the video, share it with a brother who needs it, and subscribe, because this channel is about men who see reality clearly and move through it with strength. We don't chase, we don't beg, we don't cope. We observe, we adapt, we rise.